Golf course. I'd like to pay special mention to our US
Distinguished golf professionals, sponsors, ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to be with you all this afternoon to wrap up the 2016 Fiji International, our biggest and best tournament so far. When I had the chance, when I had the chance to speak with you all at the start of the tournament, I told you that this was the most competitive field we've ever had, and that truly showed in this week's competition. All of you have set a new bar of performance for this tournament. It was a pleasure watching all of our competitors help us take golf in Fiji to the next level. And I'm sure the experience was one that none of you will soon forget. When I speak about my government's aspirations for attracting international competitions, the level of play we saw over the past weeks is exactly what I envisioned. The millions of viewers watching this week had a chance to watch some great golf and see what Fiji has to offer the golfing world. And I'm sure many of those viewers cannot wait to come to Fiji and try out this beautiful course at Natandola for themselves. Now that we've wrapped things up, I want to officially thank all our competitors for an impressive week of play, our trainers, caddies, volunteers for giving us the much needed support on the ground, our sponsors for making this tournament possible, and the fans and the supporters from all over the world who tuned in for this tournament. I would like to give a big congratulations to this year's winner, Brand Snedeker. Your play over this past week has been superb, and we are very excited to have you as our new champion. I do hope that all of our competitors have had a chance to get a taste of Fiji outside this tournament. For those of you here with your families, I'm sure they've had a lovely time getting to know our country and our people. You've had a chance to spend some time in a beautiful part of our country, but I assure you, Fiji has many islands, beaches, and natural wonders that are very much worth seeing. And no matter where you go next in our country, you'll find the same Fijian hospitality that you've experienced this past week. The same smiles, the same sincerity, and the same welcoming spirit that we are famous for around the world. So next time around, please bring your families and friends, and don't forget your MasterCard. Thank you. So on behalf of us all, I'd like to thank you for spending time here, and we look forward to welcome you back to Fiji again soon.
Congratulations. Thank you very much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Well done. Thank you so much for having us. So we'll come here. Home?
Now we're going to Wadingi Island next week. Wadingi. An hour, it's about a 30-minute boat ride from the airport.
Okay. Thank you.